start looking students. So hope your sound and safe. Okay. So today we are going to begin with the later part of our chapter for teaching. Okay. And we are going to start with the topic that is social bookmarking. SEO, social bookmarking. But before starting with this, students, I want to rectify one mistake in my earlier lecture, okay, video lecture. In that data description tag, students, in that I had given the example of the data description tag, the teaser of a serial or a movie. So by mistake, it has written movie, but that's not movie; it's a movie, MOVIE. So please rectify that, okay? So, and sorry for that I didn't notice that it has been written moving, okay? So just rectify it. Now begin with the SEO, social bookmarking, students. Social bookmarking, this is the third point, okay, of your optimizing website. Social bookmarking. Now, what is social bookmarking, students? Social bookmarking is a way for people to store, organize, search and manage bookmarks of your web pages. Okay, bookmark is what, student, actually it is for saving the shortcut or the URL that directs your browser to a specific web page. Okay, what is bookmarking, students? First we'll just see the bookmarking. Okay, this all had been finished in the earlier lectures, but it is in the revision, few important points you have to note it, okay? What is bookmarking, students? Or we can say the social bookmarking is a way for people to store, organize, search and manage bookmarks of web page. Or web pages, you can see. Okay, it's the shortcut, we can say, of the URL or of any of your file that directs your browser to a specific web page. Okay, and in Google Chrome, students, we have the star icon for bookmark, and when we click on that save bookmark, your star icon will turn into blue star. Okay, we'll just see our Google Chrome. Okay. This is the bookmark. Okay, if I write any website name or the URL, okay, for example, Yahoo, I'm writing. Okay, Yahoo, and when I click here, okay, it has got filled with the blue color, and then we can just have it done, or I can just have here also the option to save it. Okay, students, so in this way you can save your website or the URL of the website, okay, for your easier reference, or we can say easy access of your favorite pages. Okay, students, so this is the bookmark. Okay, now next one is the fourth one is your social media optimization. Social media, by the name itself, students, you can understand social media. That means optimization or optimizing your website using the social media communities. Okay, students. Social media optimization. Social media optimization, or simply we can say the SMO. Okay, what is SEO? It deals with enhancing the website's ranking using interactive communities like Facebook, Twitter, forums, blogs, etc. Getting students, social media optimization. It is again doing the same thing. It is increasing the ranking of your website, but with communities of your social media like Facebook. You all are very much aware of this. Twitter, forums, blogs, etc. There are many more webs. We can say the social media options are available. Okay, these are the few basic options through which you can optimize your website. You might have seen on Facebook also students many they are giving the advertisement of their products or whatever things they want to sell. Okay, so they give the link also so that you can, when you click on that link, it directs you to that particular website of that products or whatever content required. Okay, now next is what students you have to see. It's a process of increasing awareness of a product, brand or event by using a number of social media communities to generate viral publicity. Very important, students. Okay, if you want to make things viral, social media is very important to the students. Okay, it is beneficial as well as very dangerous anyway. Okay, so it depends upon the content which is getting viral. Okay, and it's very I can say social media is very much useful when you want to raise your voice for something. So again, it's a very important platform. So to make something viral, okay, so this social media is very useful. So that's why to increase the search ranking, social media optimization is using Facebook, Twitter, forum, blogs, etc. Okay, to generate the viral publicity. Okay, and the goal is one and the same, students, what? To derive traffic to your website. Okay, the purpose or the goal is what, students? To drive traffic to your website. That means to increase the number of users to your or the visitors to your website. Okay, students. But you have to remember one very important thing: the difference between SEO and SEM. SEO and SEM. What is the difference? You have to remember these two things. The difference is what? SEO gives the traffic to your website by using search engine and other websites. Okay, students, remember this. When we talk about the SEO, what? It also provides you traffic to your website, but it provides you traffic from search engine and other websites. Whereas SEO uses the social media websites. Okay. SEO uses traffic from social media websites. Okay, students, so you have to remember this very important thing. But when you want to have a better result, students, for longer duration, then SEO have the better result. Okay, students. Social media optimization can give you the viral publicity, but for long duration or in long term, it is not as useful as SEO. Okay, students, because you have seen things which are trending toward 3 days back, it is down after 2 days when something emerges. Okay, students, so you have to see this also, that whether you want something to be instant or you want to have something for a longer duration. So it depends upon the programmer or the owner of the website. Then next one is the fifth one, students. We have the SEO backlinks. Again, very important, backlinks. SEO backlinks. Now, what are backlinks, students? Backlinks are links on one website that, when clicked, take the user to another website. Okay, remember these, students. What are backlinks? So that means, for example, one website is there, website A and website B. Okay, and website A is having the link of website B. Okay, so it provides the backlink. Website A is providing the backlink to website B. Okay, so backlinks are links on one website that, when clicked, take the user to another website, and they contribute to the overall strength and value of the content. Okay, students, so what it provides, the overall strength and value of the content. It represents the vote of confidence. Vote of confidence, students. Why it represents the vote of confidence? Because, students, if X and Y, or we can say XYZ person is there, okay, and you don't know that, but somebody refers that XYZ to you, so it builds up the confidence. Okay, that person is trustworthy. Okay, and you can have the confidence in that person. Okay, so that's why it represents the vote of confidence from one website to another website. Okay. Now, backlinks can be in the form of text or in the form of image. When we talk about the links, students, so you have to remember that links are created with the help of anchor tag. Okay, and what is the anchor tag, students? Ahref. Okay, you have to remember this anchor tag. A stands for anchor, href is your hyperlink reference. Okay, so you can create the backlinks using the your anchor tag. And high quality backlinks can help to increase websites' ranking position and visibility in SEO. Okay, students. So I'll just draw one diagram. Okay, to make you understand the backlink. Okay, students. This is all had been done, students, in the earlier lectures. But then I'm just having a revision for you. Okay, this is your backlink. Okay. This is your website A. And this is your website B. Now what? Website A has an external link to site B. Just remember this to me, because it provides the backlink to B, so that's why it is having an external link to site B. What? Site A is having an external link to site B, whereas site B has a backlink from site A. Okay, site B has a backlink from site A. Yes, students. So that's why what backlink does, it gives the builds the overall strength and value of the content. So, and it also represents the vote of confidence from one site to another website. Okay, students, and it can be in text form or in the image form, because we know how to create the link, students, using the anchor tag. So we can what text, or we can have the image as a link. Okay, so this is the backlink, students. Now this is all about the SEO optimization, or we can say the optimizing website. Now next we'll just see the other factors of SEO. Okay, students, other factors of the factors which are very much important for optimizing your website. Okay, other factors of SEO. Now, a very important factor here is, students, first factor is the speed of the website. Speed of the website. Okay, students, speed of the website. Very important, students, because many times students, programmer is just focusing on the content, on the design of the website. Then he is not keeping the track of the speed. So this is very important that the programmer should also focus on the speed of the website. We must not only just put focus on the design or the content. Okay, along with the content and design, speed is very important. Okay, so programmer must keep a track of the speed of the website. Otherwise, it will become the hindrance in the search ranking of a website. Okay, so speed, programmer should keep a track of the speed of a website. Getting, students, which is very important for the optimization of your website, to increase the search ranking of the website. And the second important factor is what, students? Mobile friendly. Mobile friendly, students. Again, very important factor, students. Because nowadays we all are much used to the mobile. Most of you is having lectures on the mobile only. Okay, they are not using the computer or the laptop or any handheld devices, but most of you are using the smartphones. Okay, so it's very much necessary, whichever website you are viewing, is it mobile friendly, means is it able to compress itself, okay, so that the clear visibility is possible for that particular website. Okay, so it has become a ranking factor for maximum exposure and to improve the website ranking. Okay, mobile friendly, students. Just remember this, students, is to have the maximum exposure to increase the search ranking. Okay, students. So mobile friendliness is very necessary now. A mobile friendly website is essentially when your regular website shrinks down to the small enough to display on a mobile device. Okay, students, you can say it looks like a tiny version of a website, and it is sized and coded for easy interaction on a mobile device. Okay, we'll just see one example on Google Chrome, students, whether you are having the website, is it mobile friendly or not. Okay, just see. Okay, this is the Google Chrome. Okay, if I click, okay, just have a right click on your page and you have inspect. This is my Google Chrome page. Okay, now just see. This button is there, toggle device toolbar. Okay, if I click here, just see, it is changing. Okay, if I write any other site also, let's say Yahoo. Okay, so it shows whether that particular website is user friendly or not. So nowadays most of the website students are user friendly. Why? Because mostly the users are used to with the mobile. Okay, they see everything in mobile, even they want to work on mobile. Okay, because it is very much handy. Okay students, so you have to just check. Okay, click on the Google Chrome, right click, then toggle is there, just try the inspection. Okay, inspect it and change it to the mobile phone. Okay, so these are the two important factors of your SEO to increase the search ranking. Now students, SEO, you have to remember, SEO, that is the search engine optimization, is basically dealing with the only factor to increase the search ranking, to increase the traffic. Okay, to increase the number of visitors to your website so that you can have more popularity. Okay, and you can have the, you can say, the ranking in the websites. Okay, now next very important thing which we are going to study is the SEO audit. SEO audit. This we are studied in the last lecture, students. Auditing. These are the ending part of your chapter, SEO audit. So what we had seen about the audit, the general meaning of audit, we had seen what it's an official inspection of an organization's account, typically by an independent body. Okay, we can say it's an evaluation or examination of something by a person or group of people. Okay, so what it is, it's an official inspection, okay, by an independent body. Okay student, so we can say it's an evaluation or examination of something by a person or a group of people. Okay students, so you have to just say this, that how to do the auditing. Okay, because auditing plays a very important role to inspect something and to improve something on the basis of whatever result you have got by auditing. Okay. So it's an evaluation, we can say students, or it's an official inspection of organization account, typically by an independent body. Or we can say what students? It's an evaluation or examination, or an examination of something, anything it can be, okay, by a person or a group of people. Now students, what you have to see that why audit is required. Okay, why audit is required, why it is needed. And for SEO, why it is necessary to have the SEO audit. Now, an SEO audit helps to find out what could be done to improve ranking on search engines so that consumers or the visitors could find the website with greater ease. Okay, students, SEO audit. What is SEO audit? SEO audit. This we have seen the general meaning. Okay, now what is SEO audit, students? It helps to find out what could be done to improve ranking on search engines so that consumers could find the website with greater ease. Okay, students. So we can say it's an implementation plan to have measurable results. What it is, students? It is an implementation plan. Implementation plan so that we can have the measurable result. Okay, that means the result which we want actually, so that we can have the measurable result. Okay, so this is very important thing that we have to see. And the tools which is required for audit. Okay, tools. We had seen two, three important tools, but one is very important. Okay, the tools for audit is what? We have seen SEO method and SE optimal and SEO report card. There are many students, okay, etc. There are many students, but yeah, you just see the SE optimal. Why SE optimal, students? SE optimal because SE optimal is the website's best website checker, you can say. Website analysis is very much necessary, student. So the tools which are very much important for auditing. Okay, so in that one important tool is what? SE optimal. SE optimal is the website's best SEO checker, search engine optimization checker. It's a free audit tool, students, we can say. Free audit tool. Okay, that will perform a detailed SEO analysis. SEO analysis. Okay, students, so we have to see this, that whether your website needs any improvement so that you can have a higher search ranking, or it's okay, or it's an average website, or you can say not at all good. So this audit tool will provide you with all the minute details with the help of analysis. So just have a look. Okay, if it provides us with. I'll try So have a result in this way: SEO, visibility, performance, social security, and so on. Okay, your page is very good. Okay, if I just have what Google map platform. Okay, that means it is not there. Okay. Any other? Yeah, hold on. Let's have a look. And so that's why it is not. But when we'll have the audit students, the result will be in this form. Okay, so it will show you the overall performance of your website and the improvements needed, okay, for your website. Okay, students, so in this way you can have the audit of your website. Now, the next thing we have, the last thing which we had seen in the SEO chapter, that is the search engine optimization, is what? Creating robots.txt. Okay, students, creating robots.txt. In this, what we had seen, that which file to be excluded, okay, from indexing. Indexing means, students, you are giving the category. As per the category, you are just putting all the websites, okay, a content according to the priority. Okay, creating robots.txt. Here means it's a file, students. It's not any logo or something. It's a file. Okay. Now, robots.txt is also known as robots exclusion standard, or we can say the robots exclusion protocol. What it is also called as what? Robots exclusion standard, or we can call it as robots exclusion protocol. Okay, students, what it tells to the website or the search engine, what? That the file which is not required for indexing, it should be excluded, and which areas of the website not to be processed or scanned. Okay. Areas of the website not to be processed or scanned. It's for scanning purpose. Okay, students. So here this file again plays important role. Okay. Why? Because thing which is not needed should not be indexed. Okay, students, so here we have completed the revision part of our chapter. Now this is the theory chapter, students. So you have to, again I'm repeating, you have to learn the terms. Okay, you have to learn the new techniques also, and how to do auditing and also many things. So here you are having the fill-ups. all the MCQs and theory, that is the question and answer. Okay students, so practical is not there in this chapter, so this is pure theory chapter. So accordingly students, just study this chapter, and if you have any doubt you can ask me whenever we'll meet, inshallah. So hope you have understood this chapter, and next time inshallah we'll start with the new chapter, and I'll give you questions also from this chapter. Okay, so let's hope for the best. Okay, and stay home, stay safe, have a good day. Assalamu alaikum.